Oh, nothing. Oh my goodness.
Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now, I'm not in the workshop again, as Dremel have kindly sent me two of their new 8240s. Now, this is an upgrade from the 8220 that I believe has now been discontinued, but it's also sits below the 8260 in terms of price range and everything. The 8260 comes with Bluetooth functionality and a brushless motor system. I believe this doesn't come with a brushless motor system, but it is an upgrade from what the 8220 was in terms of running cooler and with less noise as well. But anyway, I've been sent two of them. I will be unboxing one, which I will keep, and then the second one I will be looking at giving away at the end of this video, or running a giveaway at the end of this video. So do keep watching and see for that if you're interested. Now, the giveaway will only be UK based, only mainly because of this weight of the package and the postage that will be involved, that I will cover. But yeah, stay tuned for more details on that. So let's get this one open. So it comes in the same sort of case, or same style case that the 8260 comes in. Everything, obviously this one is just a lot cleaner than my 8260 one is, though that won't last. So opening it up, and inside, again, as always, we'll find some information about registering your Dremel. All the accessories that you can get with it as well, and it's a really handy chart to have if you're looking for different ones. Now, you can also find on the Dremel app, and then obviously some warranty information, I believe, or declaration of conformity, and then the 8260 manual itself. So let's just pop those to the side. And then obviously inside, yeah, similar layout as to what is in the 8260 with your two batteries, your charging pack, your shield for when you sort of do metal work or anything, and then obviously the body unit itself. Now, the batteries are 12 volt 2 amp lithium batteries, whereas in the 8260 it is a 3 amp battery. So I might just want to keep that open. So the difference is already can see in terms of this speed unit itself. So you've got a battery indicator on the 8260 there, and this one just appears there. You've got the speed control unit as well. This one is a bit more sort of stiff than the 8260s, whether that's just because of use, I don't know. But overall, looks fairly the same. You've got your hanging aid as well, I think. So let's pop the 8260 away and pop one of these batteries in. So obviously the batteries are low, they do need charging. So that's what that one sounds like. So let's just get the 8060 out again and compare this to town. So both running fairly quietly. This does sound a little bit noisier than the 8260, but overall I think it's not loud at all. So then with this open, you can pull out the drawer, and in there you will find sort of a guide. I can't remember what they're called now, but sort of a support that you can use for when you're doing routering. So just take off the nose cap, which is also your twist cap, so you can use that to tighten up your collet. So pop that on, and then you can sort of freehand and carve on top of a surface there as well with this. So you've got a little window unit there as well, but also space, because I usually find that shining a light in from one side is very helpful when viewing from the other. So take that one off. Then you've also got your comfort grip, which is really handy when you're doing detailed work. You just you can't put the twist nose cap on, you just gotta put this shorter one on. So there you go, and then that just helps. You can have more control over it. It's more comfortable as well to use that way. Then what we also have in here is another guide. So screw that on, and this helps with, there's a 45-degree angle support there as well. Now I've not used this one, so I can't really explain specifically how it's used. It is in the manual, and there is videos available on online, but yeah, I've not really used that one to explain its use that well. Then what we also have is the circle cut attachment. So again, you will insert your Dremel into that part itself with a bit then obviously, so you can set the height on there as well. With your bits sticking out there, you can then put the just flip that around the point, and then you can cut a circle with it, or you've also got a guide you can attach to run along an edge and do a straight line. Just take that off a moment. And then, as with all Dremel kits, you'll get your little accessories box as well with your heavy duty cutting wheels, some of the abrasive discs, and then these abrasive pads just help with buffing away the roughness on surfaces. I use it a lot with texturing, and there's another of these cut off the wheels, just a thicker one. And then you've got your buffing pad, different types of buffing pads there. Got some of your grinding stones, a buffing compound. Now there's all your little sanding bands in there, there's a few different goods there, and then your sanding drum mandrel as well. So now I would change this to the easy click mandrel, because this one you've got to unscrew there with a tiny spanner, which is very. So with a tiny spanner you've got to unscrew there, then work that off, change it. Whereas the easy speed click one is just quite nice and quick. You just pop it off and pop it back on, click it back in, and it's ready to go. So a lot quicker with that. So we definitely recommend those for the sanding bands. In there then you've got just a standard drill bit, some of these small little sanding discs, which you will attach with that mandrel. Just take off the top, poke them through the hole that's in the discs. And there's a little carving bit as well, one of the round nose ones. And then there's another collet that you can use. I think that's a slightly narrower tip. Let's just see. Yeah, so it's just a narrower tip, so you can put a smaller bit into that when the shaft is a smaller diameter. But also you'll use this bit when you are connecting the flexi shaft as well. So very handy to keep that safe as well, and definitely would recommend the flexi shaft for sort of small detail work. It's just easier to control as well. Then just a little cleaning brush that you can use as well. And this bit is for the buffing pads. And there's another smaller round nose carving bit as well. So those are all the bits that's in there. And then in the box as well, just opening up, got your mandrel and then 2 of your metal cutting discs. Really handy to have. I've just recently used them on a project that I'm currently working on, and definitely needed some more. So that's handy to have there. And in here, I believe these are spiral cutting drill bits. Yeah, so you've got that spiral cutting bit there, and another one there. So 2 different spiral cutters. Not used these yet before with the 8060, but may have some projects coming up where I need them. So yeah, that's the 8060, and what you will get in the package itself is definitely handy having 2 batteries. They do last a fair amount of time, or definitely the 3 ampere ones do last quite a bit. And I believe these will as well with the power they've developed with these. But it's handy having the 2 batteries, as when one runs out while on a job, it's quite easy to quickly change over into the next one. And I do use my Dremel tools very often for doing texturing on projects, as you may have seen in my previous videos. Yeah, very, very handy to have these, and the carry case is definitely very handy to have. Just grab and go often, and you know all your bits that you need are in there. Now, you probably have seen in the 8060, everything's a bit sparse. I did create some other storage compartments for my bits and everything, but I do need to recheck that and ensure everything's back in its proper place. So, on to how you can win one of your very own. So, this is the one that I will be giving away, and it will be for UK subscribers only, just because it is really heavy, and it will cost me quite a bit in postage already, so I cannot unfortunately send it elsewhere. So if you're a UK subscriber, please enter the words Dremel UK in capitals, all one word, in the comments down below, and your comment will be entered into a random comment picker, but by my next video, which will hopefully be in 2 weeks, where I will be announcing the winner. Now, as is the thing with YouTube often is, you will get bots and other profiles mimicking the content creators to say, oh, you've won, follow this link or something, or contact us on this number or something. Just so you know, I will not be contacting the winner. The winner will be announced in the next video, and I will give details of how to contact me. So it will be up to you to watch the video and get in contact. If that is not done by the time the following video is out, I will be re-entering the comments into a redraw and give it away to someone else. So again, remember, UK subscribers only, and you have to be a subscriber, entering the words Dremel UK, all one word, and in capitals in the comment down below. So good luck to everyone who's entering, and thank you so much to everyone for watching my channel and subscribing to it as well. Your support really means a lot to me, and I just want to thank Dremel a lot for giving me this opportunity to obviously unbox one and then obviously use it as well, but also for giving another that I can then give away to one of you lucky guys. So thank you for subscribing. If you've not done so yet, please click the button down below and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And I hope to see you next time. Take care.